Remember, MIDI is only data. So if we're going to hear it, we have to have some sort of an instrument, and we do that via these inserts. I'm going to put the same instrument on all the channels. So to do the same thing to every insert, I would hold down the Option key on a Mac, the Alt key on a PC, go to Multi-Channel Plugin, go to Instrument, and then I'm just going to put Xpand 2 on each one of the tracks. So you could do this one at a time, but I just chose to use the Do to All command, and then it puts it on every track. It's important that you use the right plugin and the right preset for each one of these tracks. And you can either watch this video or follow the instructions, but you have to do it right to get all the points. So the first one for the guitar track, I'm going to go to where it says factory default. That's my Librarian. I'm going to go to 21, which is guitars. Then I'm going to choose preset number +7, finger nylon acoustic. Then I'm going to click on the Xpand plugin on the bass track, the second one. Then in the Librarian, I'm going to go to 25 for basses and go to 3, acoustic fretless. Then on the third one for the pad, I'm going to go to factory default, go to number 1, soft pads. Then I'm going to go to number 2, heavenly bell pad. For arpeggios 1, I'm going to go to preset category number 9, multi-track arpeggios. Then 2, romantic string ensemble. For arpeggios 2, I'm going to go to 9 again, multi-track arpeggios, and this time also go to romantic strings 2. Arpeggios 3, this is going to go to Librarian, go to simple arpeggios, then go to 12 DX Dreams. And then for the last one here, I'm going to go to 26 drums and 28 funk drums. Oops, is that right? 26 drums, funk drums. There it is, 28. So going to go to 28 down the bottom. Don't get confused because there's a +28 here. So just go to 28 funk drums. There we go. So now we could play this. And we have a familiar classical piece here. If it doesn't sound like mine, go back and check the presets that you've selected for each track based on the notes in the description.